line coming into view.
Copy, Striker 6-4.
Feet dry in 10 seconds.
Copy.
Taking fire here.
Roger that. We've got RPGs down there.
Shit, that was close.
Got a visual on the target.
Stand by for green light. Down the rope! Go, go!
Go, go, go!
Second squad on me to the target building.
Move the blocking positions! Let's go!
There's the target building. Left side door breach. Stack up! Blow the charge.
Breaching, breaching!
Go, go, go!
Clear!
Jackson, take point.
Jackson, throw a flashbang. All call signs. Check the bodies. We need a positive ID on Al-Assad. Negative ID over here, sir. No sign of Al-Assad here, sir. HQ, this is Red Dog. Target building is secure, but we don't have Al-Assad. Roger that, HQ. Out. Heads up. I just got word that Al-Assad is broadcasting half a click east of here at a TV station. We're gonna move out on foot and take down the package there. Move out.
Enemy down!
At that car! To the south! Contact! Near that red car! Friendly reinforcements coming up! Reinforcements coming up!